Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get in the video.
Alright, so I got a cool one for you guys today. I got the Razer Wolverine Ultimate Gaming Controller for Xbox One and Windows 10, also compatible with the Series X. I tested it myself, but I went ahead and got recommended this instead of the Elite Series 2 Microsoft Xbox controller. So let's go ahead and open up this cool packaging here. It's got a sticker on the bottom here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, voila, there it is. Comes with a nice case here. Looks pretty solid, has a logo on it. It's pretty dope, reflective. Pretty solid case from what I can tell. Alright, let's move on. Let's take a look in here in the box. So I'm assuming this is where the cables are, so well, I know because I'm recording this after the fact, but let's go ahead and open it up here. So it comes with this nice braided cable here. It does have some cool things for it, like it has a cover on it. Also has a Razer logo right on it that I'll show you here in a second. It's actually a pretty cool design, I'm not gonna lie. So this controller is not wireless. It's only wired, which is good for low latency, and also I don't want to be in a competitive game and I all of a sudden run out of battery, so that's a plus. All right, let's take a look at the manual here. This is Wolverine Ultimate. It's pretty dope. Open it up here. It just has some general information about the paddles and things that we'll go through a little bit later. How to connect it both to your PC and your Xbox. It has all the instructions there, so you don't have to worry. So that's pretty cool. Looks like that's it for inside the box. Let's go ahead and move into the case. Solid zipper there. Open it up. Ooh, there she is. Wolverine Ultimate Controller. Pretty sleek, pretty sleek. My first impression of the thumbsticks, they're pretty solid. The buttons are a little different than a regular Xbox controller. I wasn't expecting, which is pretty cool. It has a more mechanical feel to it than like a meshy feeling. It's got a lot of paddles. It has paddles right by the bumpers, paddles on the back, 2 of them on each side. It's got volume control and lighting control on it as well, which is pretty cool. We'll go into that a little bit later. It also has replacement thumbsticks, or thumbsticks for you to interchange, which is pretty cool. They're pretty solid. Guys, got a nice rounded one there, and then a little concave one right here. Also comes with a D-pad, which is pretty cool. I like the one that's on it currently, but this one's pretty cool as well. It gives me Xbox 360 vibes. Alright, so this controller is absolutely beautiful. The design and the quality of the triggers and everything just feel absolutely amazing. I haven't touched a Series 2 Elite controller, but I heard they have problems. This one made with a little bit more plastic than the Elite Series 2, but I heard that it's actually a good thing because I guess it reduces the analog stick drift. So that was like a big seller for me. I don't know if that's true or not. You can fact check me below. But it also comes with trigger stops. It's pretty cool. So if you put the trigger stop on, it's going to have a shorter path to pull the trigger, which is pretty cool for FPS games like Call of Duty and Battlefield and other games of the sort. You can adjust them manually on both sides. So I guess if you want one trigger that's shorter and one trigger that's longer, you can do that. Not sure where you apply that, but that's an option. So, alright, so this is me pulling off the sticks. Really easy to pull off. Don't worry about them going off when you're playing games. I tested that as well. It's not that. It's really hard for you to try to do that, to remove them while you're playing. I actually never had that happen to me, and I've been playing for it maybe at least 10 hours already on the controller. And it's magnetic, so it just grips right on there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and go into the software. So it's a separate app that you have to download both on your PC and on your Xbox in order to get it to work. It's pretty simple. You have to use the controller to go ahead and map everything. I tried using a mouse, it doesn't work. It yells at you and says you must use the controller. So you can set different profiles and things like that and set it to the different colors listed on the controller itself. So if you want to switch the different paddle controls during game, you can do that. So say you want to switch to one game, you can switch to the blue or the green depending on what you have. You can go ahead and rename the profile as well. Pretty shortly here, I'm going to go through mapping the buttons themselves really quick. You just go to edit, go into buttons, and you're actually able to go ahead and map the different buttons to whatever you like. They have all the options there for you. Personally, I like to use reload and jump and crouch on the paddles, as well as switch weapons so that I'm able never to pull my thumbs off the thumbsticks. That's something that I really enjoy. You can also control the lighting and how bright it is and the different patterns you can do. You can do like wave, spectrum, that sort of thing. That's all listed there. There's also another thing called Agile that I really haven't gotten into. I guess you can adjust the sensitivity of your analog sticks, which is pretty cool. So I guess if you start to drift, you can go ahead and make it a little bit stronger, I guess, so it doesn't drift as much. It's totally an option. And there's another one, I think it's like precision or focusing. You can actually have a button tailored so that you stop sprinting. But yeah, overall the controller I think is great. I've been using it for a long time here, ever since I got it, and it's been great. It hasn't fallen apart on me, no stick drift so far, and I've been using it for over a week. So feel free to go ahead and check out my other videos. Leave a like if you liked the video, and hit subscribe. Stay golden, everybody. Bye-bye.